play a game of Would You Rather. I love this game because, honestly, there are no wrong answers, right? Yeah, it's just what would you rather do? Yeah. What would you rather? Celebrate with friends or celebrate with family? Well, I like to find time to do both, but this is a game of what would you rather, not what would Miss Lisa rather. Would you rather give many gifts? That's always fun. Or receive many gifts? Well, that's fun too. In fact, speaking of free gifts, if you'd like to take a lesson here at the Fallbrook Music Workshop in Fallbrook, California, we would love to gift that to you. So just reach out to us and a free lesson is yours from us. Happy holidays. What would you rather? Would you rather go on a sleigh ride or make a snowman? I love doing both things, don't you? Yeah, hard choice there. Would you rather go ice skating or stay warm inside? Well, some days I feel like one and some days I feel like the other, right? But often after I've gone ice skating, I like to come in and stay warm inside. So here's one last one. Would you rather sing a carol or play an instrument? Well, honestly, I love to do both. Here's my keytar. It's called a keytar because it has a strap like a guitar, right? And it has a keyboard, yeah, like a piano. So a keytar, yeah, I love it. All right, well, I don't know if you know this or not, but December 26th is the first day of Hanukkah. Yeah, so I thought I could do the Dreydle song. It seems to be a real popular one, and yeah, I think you'll enjoy it. The Dreydle song. I have a little dreidel, I made it out of clay, and when it's dry and ready, then dreidel I shall play. Oh, dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay. Oh, dreidel, 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 now dreidel I shall play. It has a lovely body with legs so short and thin, and when it is all tired, it drops and then I win. Oh, dreidel, 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 with legs so short and thin. Oh, dreidel, 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 it drops and then I win. My dreidel's always playful, it loves to dance and spin. A lovely game of dreidel, come play now, let's begin. Oh, dreidel, 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 it loves to dance and spin. Oh, dreidel, 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 come play now, let's begin. I have a little dreidel, I made it out of clay, and when it's dry and ready, then dreidel I shall play. Oh, dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay. Oh, dreidel, 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 now dreidel I shall play. Oh, the Dreydle song, such a lovely little tune.